Tell me if you know someone that needs Jesus, Lord. Been through a lot of things. I done been through a lot of things. Tell me if you know someone that needs Jesus, Lord. I've been through a lot of things. I need Jesus. It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. I have been through a lot of things. I have been through so many things. I need Jesus, Yahshua. Teach me the way to the kingdom of heaven. See, Yahshua came here on earth and taught about a special place where we can go called heaven. Now, Yahshua didn't talk about the things of heaven because we barely understand and comprehend the things of earth. Yahshua taught by example, taught by stories in which we can learn many lessons from as we continue to read and tell these stories. I've been through a lot of things. It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. See, I have been through a lot of things, and it is me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. Sometimes I catch myself and I've got an attitude. And I could give you an excuse about who gave me this attitude, but I'm really just sensing an energy that I need to be so far from me. And then I learn and I recognize my innate sense. What do I do when I feel this energy? I want to run. I want to yell. I want to shout. I want to blame. I want it to get out of me so I don't feel this way anymore. I curse, I fuss till I get my way. And even then it's only temporary. I have been through a lot of things. It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. It's me, oh Lord. I have been through a lot of things, It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. I've watched my family, each individual member, take this attitude of everyone for themselves. I've got to be my help. They turn their noses up at someone who shares their challenges that they're living in life. At one point in time, we used to encourage one another. When someone wears their head down, you say, no, brother, no, sister, lift your head up, hold your head up high. You are a child of God. Walk with pride. You are a child of God. Hold your head up high. But you cold shoulder, you turn your back on me. You judge and talk smack, attack me. That's what you do behind those closed doors. Sure, I have no proof, but I can feel it. I can feel it. You know when someone's not being honest and pure with you. You can see it in their eyes. You can see it in the way that they walk. You can hear it in their conversation, in their talk. You can. I can. God reveals the truth to me over time. God unleashes everything within my mind over time. I just must. There's one thing I must do. I must sit still. I must sit still so God can reveal. I must sit still. I have been through a lot of things. I need you, God. You are my life. You are my love. You are my hope. You are my faith. You are my trust. You are everything. Everything to me. Everything. 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 You are the reason I sing. I sing because I love you, God. I may not always be happy. I may not always smile and shoot rainbows and diamonds and sparkly things out of my eyes. But I realize, God, you are mine. You are me. The only thing that makes me holy. So use me in this life. Allow this flesh to be your holy sacrifice. Take this life and make it new. I'm asking in the name of Yeshua to be more like you, God. Use me. I have through a lot of things. I have been through a lot of things, and I need you, God. I need you, God. I need you, God. Hear my prayer. Hear my prayer. Heavenly Father, hear my prayer. Hear my